Dito po sa Taet ngayon, wala pa rin kuryente. Telco signals are really scarce. Kahapon meron daw PLDT. Ngayon, nahikonek ako sa GOMO na sister ko. So technically may globe na rin. But hindi sa lahat ng locations. Hindi pa rin ganun ka lakas ba. And since walang kuryente, everyone's using a generator powered by gasolina, of course. There are some locations here where people can charge their phones. Like for example, here on our street we have Yamaha. This is the situation right now. Everyone's charging their phones there, and there's one in Alawihaw, which is awesome. Another private company perhaps. And I think people are also going to SM every day to do the same thing, just so they can charge their phones. Of course, may free wifi din sa SM. Natutuwa naman ako dito sa provincial capital ng Camarines Norte because they are offering free Wi-Fi for everybody. You just have to go to Freedom Park, and well, you can stay, like you can see here right now, you can stay at the bottom of the stairs of the provincial library or the museum or just anywhere near the provincial capital to get a free Wi-Fi. At this time when I took this photo, it's around 9 p.m. and everyone's still walking towards the Freedom Park just so they could connect to the internet, of course. And that's awesome. I observe a lot of changes here in Taet. First of all, ang dami ng tao. That yesterday, after my visit sa Taet Elementary School, where one of my sisters worked as a special education teacher, after that, we plan to just go to one of the grocery stores sa HP, and inabot kami ng like more than 30 minutes. Talagang sumakit yung tuhod ko because I'm using a manual car right now, so it's kind of hard to drive and sobrang traffic. I don't understand why. And later on I understood kasi everyone was trying to look for an ATM na hindi offline because all the ATMs are offline, unfortunately. And that night, last night, my sister and I went to the provincial capital. She works as policewoman naman. So since they don't have internet sa kampo, all of them working in the office, they go to the provincial capital to connect to the internet so they can work properly. Doon po sila pumupunta. Sinama niya ako doon. And what I saw there on her way home, nagulat ako because mahaba pa rin ang pila sa ground level ng provincial capital kasi yung ATM sa baba, it's open and everybody's using it. I really admire this. Well, I heard about this public official who decided to cut off the electricity sa isang police station just because right after the Typhoon Uwan, marami daw tao na nag-charge dun sa police station na yun. You're a public servant. You're supposed to serve the people first. And to those people na nasasakupan itong public servant na to, alam nyo na kung sino yung iboboto nyo next time. Vote for someone who will prioritize the people first. What they're spending is our tax money. So you deserve better.